guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today I do not have any particular topic. I just want to talk to you a very realistic talk. So in this video, I just want to talk to you related to particular topics. Whatever I'm thinking, I just want to convey to you. So the first thing which I want to convey is I have got a lot of DMs and comments on my YouTube video that, ma'am, can you make reel on the realistic topics, like realistic topics, whatever we have particular topic, please make the reels over it. So I have basically me and my team suggested that, ma'am, why not we should do it. So yes, from Monday onwards, and the Monday will be, I think the date is 9th, so from 9th of February we are coming out with the reels of one particular question and the answer in this reels. It's gonna be super duper interesting. Same we will be putting on YouTube Short itself. I hope you're gonna shower lots of love to the particular videos, because I particularly think that whatever the real problems is, we should give you the solutions of that. Recently I have done a podcast also. In that also I have got a suggestions that, ma'am, why not to do this? So we thought, yes, let's do it. Second thing, I hope you gonna love this. Second, I am planning to come live on my YouTube channel every Tuesday or Wednesday at night 9 PM, so that all of you will be coming back from office, from your colleges, from your schools and everywhere, and let's do a chit chat, because I think that will help you. So do comment me down if you want the live sessions, then I will definitely plan the same. Last but not the least, we are launching the different categories of German topics, you can say German courses. So yes, may you already know, German Gyan is teaching already in 4 modules, 4 modes basically. So one is English to Hindi, English to German, English to German, Hindi to German, German to German, Malayalam to German. Now we will be very soon Gujarati to German also, because we are trying to open our institute in Gandhinagar also, offline institute. So yeah, the planning is on. In fact, we are also planning to open the institute in Noida itself. So please stay tuned. Noida वालों रेडी हो जाओ एनरोलमेंट करने के लिए, बिकॉज जर्मन ज्ञान आ रहा है नोएडा और गांधीनगर दोनों में ही बहुत जल्दी. प्लानिंग बहुत जोर से चल रही है. तो ये कुछ बातें थी जो मुझे आप लोगों से करनी थी. तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू वांट, हाउ वी कैन प्लान इट, बिकॉज 4 मॉड्यूल्स की क्लासेस ऑलरेडी चल रही है, हम और मॉड्यूल्स खोल रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट हमारे पास एक जर्मन कोर्स लॉन्च होने वाला है, कुछ जगह पे हो भी चुका है. वो सिर्फ टेक्निकल जर्मन के लिए है, जो इंजीनियर्स हैं उन सब के लिए अब रास्ता बिल्कुल ओपन है, बिकॉज येस, आप जर्मन पढ़ सकते हैं अपनी फील्ड के अकॉर्डिंग. आई थिंक सो इससे बेस्ट कुछ हो नहीं सकता. सो येस, आई एम वेरी मच इनटू इट. आई एम प्लानिंग ऑल द थिंग्स. सो वट एवर यू वॉन्ट, प्लीज कमेंट मी डाउन बिलो, बिकॉज मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ चीज़ें करने के लिए, न्यू अपडेट्स देने के लिए, और जो आप लोग चाहते हो मैं तो हमेशा वही करती हूँ. सो वाई नॉट, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट.